In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a journal entry in Zoho Books. If you've ever found yourself needing to remove a journal entry, whether it was created by mistake or is no longer necessary, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. So let's dive right into it. First, we'll start by navigating to the Accountant module, which you can find via the left sidebar in your Zoho Books interface. This area of the platform is dedicated to managing your accounting tasks, so it's a familiar territory for those who handle financial records regularly. Once you're in the Accountant module, look for the option labeled Manual Journals. Selecting this will display a list of all your journal entries. It's a centralized place where you can review your existing entries, make modifications if necessary, and in our case, remove any unwanted records. Now, let's find the journal entry you wish to delete. It's important to carefully identify the correct entry, as removing it will delete it permanently and could affect your record keeping. Double-check your selection by ensuring it matches the details of the entry you intend to remove. After opening the specific journal entry, you're probably asking, where do I go from here? Look towards the top of the journal's detail page and locate the More icon. It's typically represented by an ellipsis, or this icon is your gateway to additional options related to the journal entry. Click on the More icon and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Here, you'll find the Delete option. Selecting this option is the action that initiates the deletion process for the journal entry. Once you've clicked Delete, a confirmation pop-up will appear, prompting you for the final decision. This pop-up is your last chance to ensure that you're making the right choice. If you're confident and ready to proceed, click Yes, Delete. This step is crucial as it confirms to Zoho Books that you genuinely intend to permanently remove the journal entry from your records. With that, the journal entry is deleted from Zoho Books. Remember that this action is irreversible, so it's always good practice to verify the entry details before deletion. Additionally, maintaining proper backups can provide a cushion for your data management, allowing you to restore any mistakenly deleted entries if needed in other contexts. And there you have it, a simple yet detailed guide on removing a journal entry in Zoho Books. I hope you found this video helpful and that it has simplified the process for any future situations where you might need to delete entries. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other Zoho Books tutorials for more helpful tips and insights.